Hey guys, so today I am back with another Louis Vuitton unboxing video. This time it is for the Speedy 30. Just a quick disclaimer, this video is not intended to brag at all. Personally, I really like these kinds of videos because when I do want to spend a little bit of money on a purse or a bag or something like that, I like going online and being able to see what people have to say about them, their unboxing videos, because I'm not going to go all the way to London and then spend the whole day, you know, kind of cross-examining things, when I can just go online. And people are a lot more brutal on the internet than they are at the store, because obviously they get paid to talk nice things about them, whereas on the internet people will talk shit about anything. So yeah, anyway, if these videos are, like me, something you enjoy, then please keep on watching. So I went to the Sloane Street store in Knightsbridge to get this one, and like I said, that's the store that I feel like is the best. I've been to obviously the ones in Selfridges and Harrods and stuff like that, and genuinely if I'm going to buy like these products, I don't like going to the Selfridges or the Harrods first. I prefer going into the store and actually, if I know obviously what I'm getting and I'm not, you know, kind of, do I get this one or do I get another brand? So I like going to that store, and the Sloane Street store I feel is my favourite one. So I went there, and so I got the bag, and it comes in a huge bag like this, which was kind of a bit of a pain because we were obviously doing a little bit more shopping afterwards, and we probably should have got it last because we were walking around like my arms were aching. But that's just first world problems. Probably shouldn't cry about it. World's smallest violin. Now I'm going to just grab the big ass box that it comes in. Oh. So I can help myself, and I obviously, as you can tell, I've undone the bow and had a little peek. And then, sorry, I looked really confused then because in the camera obviously it's mirrored, and I was just like, wait, what? But yeah, anyway, so it comes in a big old orange box like this with the ribbon happening right here, and so obviously you get the envelope with the receipt in, which we will go back to once we've unboxed this little beauty. So I'm gonna pretend that I haven't done this like I did with the other videos. Just take off the little, I feel like I was undressing this box really gently, but yeah, so you take off the ribbon, and it comes in a flappy box like that. And so anyway, it comes in a dust bag like this. Oh lord, you need some right muscles to move those. So it comes in a dust bag like this, and when you open it, the bag is obviously inside. You get this little pouch that basically, when you open, comes with the lock that goes on the side. So at the front it has the Louis Vuitton symbol, and then you have Louis Vuitton Paris on the back. And then obviously you get the keys to the lock, and I'm just gonna keep that in there, put it on the side, and then out comes the bag. So it just looks like this. I hate that it has to be flat packed. I feel like it's really sad because, like, you see obviously when you get it for the first time, you see like all the creases and stuff from when it's been flat packed, but obviously over time it will go away, it will hold its shape. If you stuff it, it'll be fine basically. So at first I was a little bit worried because the material was quite thin the first time I went to see it, but then now I feel like it's absolutely fine. So maybe it's because I've got it now. But yeah, no, I just was a bit conscious of the thickness of the material, but this is one of their cheaper bags, so whatever. Anyway, so I got it in the dark brown Damier print, and I like this one. It's a lot more low-key and a lot less fakes out there, and I've mentioned that in my video for when I got my Josephine wallet. So I like to get this print if I can. So I really love the gold hardware and the dark brown the dark brown handles and like these little bits on the side. And then also I love the fact that I just absolutely adore like red interior and red accent parts in products, because I just think it looks really classy, and it's also quite bold but at the same time quite subtle, but if that makes any sense at all. So inside I just have this little pouch here where you can put just like the little bits that you don't want floating around inside the bag, and then you just have this big compartment where you literally just throw everything in. So first impressions, like I said, at first I was a bit worried about the creasing from when it's been flat packed, and the product seems a little bit like the leather seems a little bit thin, but after a little while, because I was playing with it the other day, after a little while, I really like it. I really enjoy it. I think it's a great size for me. I'm 5'1", and I got the Speedy 30 because I thought the 25 was a little bit too small and the 35 was too big, and they were saying that it doesn't hold its shape like as well as this one does. So I think this one is the perfect size for it, because I wouldn't want to stuff it with too many things. But yeah, so that's the bag. And so going now to the receipt, the lady didn't leave a contact address, she just got contact details. So obviously you get the receipt, which is the worst part of it. And that bag cost £730. And I wish I got to do tax-free shopping, because you get £121.67 in like return to you, but whatever. So this was £730, and I think that's like a reasonable price in regards to a classic bag, like a classic high-end designer bag. Obviously these things, I do understand, I am very lucky to be able to have one of these, and I am very glad that I do have it. Bags like that, I feel like it's so classic, it lasts such a long time. That's the problem that I find with Gucci. Like, as much as I love like all the animal designs that they have on their products at the moment, I feel like that will fade within time, whereas bags like these, like the classic prints, are what I'm more attracted to, just because I feel like it's a safer bet, it's a safer option, and I just like something subtle but also very classic, and you know what it is when you see it, kind of thing. So that was everything for my unboxing video. I will be doing a what's in my bag video once I actually know what I'm going to be putting in that bag. So if you guys liked this video, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, then please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.